We're watching the first bottle go into the first new Seabin that got installed today down here at Yards Marina on the Anacostia River. Trey shared, the Anacostia Riverkeeper. We're out here at Yards Marina installing the first two new Seabins and moving a couple Seabins to add to the collection, and they are starting to sweep the water for small trash and debris. So Seabins are like a water vacuum cleaner. So we anchor them down to the dock. In this case they're on a floating dock, so they move up and down with the tide, and there's a little pump in there that's pulling water through the basket. The basket lets the water go through, but it catches all the trash. So there's a little bit of woody debris, and there's a lot of plastic. So we've seen a bottle go in already, just in the first hour of the first trap. We've seen some styrofoam packing material go in. We saw a plastic bag go in there, and then all kinds of broken up pieces of plastic.